Hello everyone, myself Vikas Malik, the Assistant Professor Department of Geography, Government College Badota, Sonipat. Now I am going to deliver a lecture on migration, its various types, reasons behind migration and its consequences. Basically, migration is a main component of population growth rate of any particular place. It is a process in which residents of individual change permanently or semi-permanently. It is a universal characteristic of all human groups since ages. It has both temporal and spatial dimensions. In terms of spatial dimension, it may be intra-regional, interstate, or international migration. In terms of time dimension, it may be permanent, semi-permanent, temporary, or the seasonal migration. The intra-regional migration is within the state migration. The interstate includes movement from one state to another state within the same country boundary. International migration includes cross-border movement of people from one country to another country. Next slide is about migration types. Basically, migration is of two types, that is immigration and emigration. Immigration is a process in which individual comes to a new place. Emigration is a process in which individual leaves original place or present place of living. It could be seasonal, permanently, or semi-permanently. Next slide is about reasons or the factors affecting migration. Basically, two types of factors are responsible for migration that affects migration. The first one is pull factors. Pull factors are the facilities that attracts people to leave their present residence place. It may be better educational facilities, amusement facilities, employment opportunities, better communication services, better transportation facilities. The next one is the push factors. Push factors includes the negative reason that forces individual to leave their place of living. It may be communal rights, poverty, lack of basic amenities or facilities, overcrowding, unemployment, operations, or natural hazard or disasters. Next slide is about the positive consequences of migration. Reduction in population pressure upon land resources. Demographic dividend. Balance in demand and supply of labor. Increase in feeling of oneness. Negative consequences of migration. It may be social chaos, increase in mental dissatisfactions, increase in class difference, increase in population density, loss of social life. That is all about my lecture. Thank you so much.